Hey guys, hope you're all doing okay at home. Today we are going to make prawn paste chicken, Har Jeong Chicken. This involves a very pungent prawn paste. There are two kinds of prawn paste, don't be mistaken. One is in liquid form, okay? The other one is in this form, alright? I've seen recipe involving this, it works. But today we are going to use this, okay? Just so you know, this is called belacan. We use it to make the chili paste, chili that you see in nasi lemak stores, etc. Alright, so we're going to use the liquid form. This is a very strong taste chicken wing, so I'm not going to put in a lot of sauces like oyster sauce. It's just soy sauce, sesame oil, prawn paste. So it's mainly this that will override everything. Okay, just add a bit of sugar because this is salty enough, you know. Let's go.